Hey there. Are you a writer or wannabe writer, a non-writer, who keeps saying you want to write and then you feel frustrated because you're not writing? And it's not like you haven't tried. There are unfinished manuscripts in your computer, there are dropped writing classes, there's all those books on your shelves that you've been reading about writing and still you're not writing. At least not as consistently as you'd like. Or maybe you have the opposite problem and you've been a very productive writer, but lately you aren't feeling inspired. You can't sit your butt down in the chair. You can't start or finish writing your story. But whatever your struggles with writing, what if there was a way to wake up tomorrow eager to jump out of bed and write and write and write? And in the weeks after that, imagine you're still writing and wow, most days you actually look forward to writing. And the days you don't, you write anyway. You're uncovering and moving past hidden blocks, letting go of self-doubt, self-criticism, and perfectionism. One day of writing at a time, you're turning your life into a memoir, your big idea into a book or blog post, your stories into a novel or a script others want to read or watch. You're actually being the writer that you've always wanted to be. Sound wonderful? It's totally possible. Hi there, I'm Kelly Morgan, a deep dive creativity coach and writer who has also at times struggled with writing. And this is what I know. The Artist Way workshop turns writing into something you look forward to doing. It makes it easier and more fun to write. Your stories helps you express your ideas and let your creativity flow through your words so you can jump out of bed, eager to write more than the day before. And so you can let go of your doubts and perfectionism and other inhibiting blocks that take the joy out of writing. So you can stop caring so much what everyone thinks. The Proven Artist Way workshop will help you live the creative life you imagine. Now, during the 2 decades that I led Artist Way workshops in Hollywood, it opened doors for me and for thousands of other people. Like Tom, the journalist who finally wrote the book that mattered most to him personally, the story of his autistic son. It was a finalist for the National Jewish Book Award. Or Angela, she's a corporate trainer who didn't consider herself creative, and she's now letting herself write stories, something she'd secretly wanted to do ever since she was a young girl. Or the burned out Emmy award-winning composer Glenn, who felt trapped by the business of running his creative company. In the Artist Way workshop, he rekindled his love of music and performing and writing. And the list goes on and on and on, and because of my Artist Way workshops, thousands are now living their bigger, juicier, more creative life. And it's a life of imagination and play and insights and doing what matters most. And that's why I'm happy to be leading another highly transformational workshop based on this best-selling book by Julia Cameron, Online. In this online Artist Way workshop, even if you don't live in Hollywood, you can now go on this journey to recover your creativity. Whether you're a total beginner, a seasoned pro who feels burned out, or a non-writer who needs to write for your business or to heal, when you join forces with me and the encouraging Artist Way community, you'll be on your way to liberating your authentic voice, finding balance, developing a consistent writing practice. You'll absolutely learn how to more fully enjoy all the phases of your creative process. Yes, even the challenges. And you're going to keep moving in the direction of your writing dreams. This is an online class, but it is not a bunch of videos. It's a live, interactive experience, so you get the inspiration, support, and guidance you need when you need it. There are a limited number of spaces available, so click the button on this page and join me and others now.